We do have some important airdrop updates, voting for future airdrops and allocation for you to go and listen. So we're not gonna waste your time. We're gonna jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first, as we see here, the lighter airdrop form is now live. And what is this form that closes on December 26th? Well, I will leave you the link down below. And if you aren't trading on us on lighter, or you wanna join a community, as we see here, I got a kickback of 100%, meaning that my referral, so you, if you sign up with my code, link will be down below, will earn 100% of your referral points. So I'm not getting points, you're all getting points and splitting it. The link will be down below. Make sure to join or add this referral link if you are able to go and share it right here on the link. And as we see here, you go over here to the invite page, and over here on the airdrop, on the point page and on the airdrop, you will be able to go and put your allocation, and your wallet address will receive 100%, and you can split up to 4 wallets. Super important to go and do, but the lighter airdrop is coming and the allocation is right here. And as I said, make sure to come and join me because you do have a 100% airdrop point distribution, as we said. Next up, one trade I want to go and do, which I did buy a $25,000 account currently for $275 only, which means for $275 I have $25,000 on my prop firm account over here on Breakout, and I am gonna go and turn the tables. I am gonna go short over here on Bitcoin. I do think it's due, and I'm gonna do a massive $36,000 short position over on Bitcoin. And let's see, you can also join, and as we see here, I am trading for a $36,000 position with only $275 because I bought a $25,000 account. I grew it to 38,000 and now I keep on going. So the link will be down below. If you join with my code, you also get a discount, so this will be way cheaper, or you can get the two-step authentication, which is only $250 plus my discount. It is also way cheaper, so link will be down below. Come and join me. We're already in profit. That's amazing. We're gonna come back tomorrow and see how this position is doing. Talking about another airdrop which is confirmed right here is the Ethereum gas. I will leave it down below, and it is, as we see here, super easy. Connect your WEEX, generate gas reports and score. Super easy. You got a few quests to go and do, as you see here, key quests, which are all absolutely go and do it for free. And then you can do the gas report, which basically tells you how much gas you have done it. Simply create it, and that is it. This is has the aim to go and give you back kind of like what you have spent in terms of gas throughout your MetaMask career, or your, whatever it could have been. And this one right here is mine. So super simple. Join, do that, let me know how much gas you shared, or simply go and share it on Twitter with the community and let me know as well how much you have spent. As we see here, 3.36 Ethereum in gas. It's quite a lot of money. Next up, we also have a super nice promotion with WEEX, which is partner of the channel. I will leave the link down below. If you already sign up and you want to use this promotion, go and sign up with a new account, verified and all of that. And as we see here, it's a non-KYC exchange, meaning anybody can trade from anywhere. You deposit $100, you get $50 for free, basically a 50% bonus deposit as for all the welcome bonus. So make sure to go and do your account, make sure to go and trade. You're basically with $50 for free, make some profit. I think, I'm no financial advisor, I did short Bitcoin, and if we are right, you can make this money to go and buy yourself a breakout account and keep on trading for basically free. So link down below, deposit 100, get $50 and you're good to go. Next up, we have an update on the Superform token generation event, which has been postponed. And as we see here, as their statement, the Legion sale ended later and expected. The MIC transaction period closed on December 26th. A full year end update will be shared on December 30th, but the airdrop is going to be postponed. Could be good, could be bad. The market condition is absolutely trash, so let's see how they play out. But if you're waiting for this, just know that it did get postponed. Next up, we have the LayerZero fee switch referendum number 3 is now live, as we see right here, and we are going to go and vote. You are also able to go and vote. The vote closes after Christmas on December 27. Simply go to this page right here, connect your wallet, connect the EVM wallet, and go and vote underneath here to yes or no. Up to you, but as we see here, it's already 97% vote for yes, so you might as well go and join and simply vote for a future airdrop. Next up, Gravity. I am still trading on Gravity. Absolutely yes. Why? Because Gravity, in my opinion, is the future in terms of the biggest airdrop that a decentralized platform or a decentralized exchange is going to go and do. We see here the super nice volume, even on quite slow days. And as we see here, I still got my position open. And if you do trade here, or you want to sign up and trade here for a chance of an airdrop with my code, as we see over here on the referrals, which I am a partner of, you do get a 30% bonus gravity point. So you basically trade, you get 1 point, you get 1.3 points. So might as well join, as I am an ambassador for them, which is super, super nice. So with that said, I don't want to waste your time. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you did find something useful. Come and join me over on WEEX. Come and join me over on Lighter. And come and join me over on Breakout, as we are trading in this bear market. But the nice thing is that you can also short the market. So very much nice. With that said, thank you for watching and see you later. Ciao, guys.